Okay, well, here's more things to come. This is a KX100 frame, and we put a Sur Ron jack shaft in there on the pivot point to, get rid of any chain stretching issues. We modified the whole swing arm to fit the jack shaft. Ended up cutting this arm off from over here, moved it over, gusseted it all up, welded it all up, put a new bushing setup in there to obviously, accommodate the jack shaft. But we're basically going to take a KX100 frame and motorcycle, and we're going to convert it over to electric, and made a few of our own little modifications to make it all work. But yeah, we're always doing something over here. This ought to be a really nice setup when it's done. We get the KO motor in this and the Qi battery in it. Probably do a 72 volt battery in here. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try to use all the KX100 hardware and stuff on there, minus the tank, obviously. But we're pretty sure this is gonna be a hot little setup once we get it done. Be easy to take and modify pretty much any motorcycle the way we did here and make it happen. But this is gonna be, I think, one heck of a ride. The cameraman is too fat, so we're not gonna put him on a Sur Ron. He'll break it. So this is gonna be basically a bike that he's gonna have at some point. But yeah, this is gonna be a fun setup. That swing arm sure was fun to try to modify. We had to do a lot of heavy welding on that. It's done. It's ready to go for the motor now. We just gotta get the tubes all welded on and get the motor put in there. So more things to come.